Action. Okay. Let me
I'm gonna close the door.
close the door. Okay, good. How do you lock the door?
After you close it,
Make
you
sure
can still get in.
Oh.
So you have to hit the word Yale.
I try to get in.
And then to get in, you hit the word
can you
Yale
show it that it's
again.
locked?
It is locked, see?
Okay, good.
Then you hit the word Yale again, and you do the password.
Okay, let me just lift the check mark. Okay, let me just see the check mark.
And then you hit the check mark. And then it'll open.
Whoa, that's cool. Okay.
And one more thing, if it says something like
Door won't lock or something?
door, like,
Oh, that's not good. Okay, don't show the code. Okay, now, okay.
If it hits something like this, like,
Don't try to break it. I'm struggling, yeah. You have to make sure the door is
Can't
closed.
lock the door. Make sure it's closed and the deadbolt is not blocked.
if it says that, can't lock the door, make sure the door's closed and the double is locked.
Okay.
You want to go over here, look at this thing,
Okay.
this.
Yep.
Maybe press it a few times and then unpress it and press it.
Okay.
But I usually go down here, so make sure it moves correctly and
That one's fine. Yeah,
just
this one
move
has no
it-
lock on it
Move
yet.
it correctly.
Well, don't.
and
You have to
then
make sure.
come back.
You have to close it.
And then let's see if it works
Okay.
after we fix that. And then I also look in this little slot where it goes into.
Okay.
Make sure it's clear and smooth. If it says that. Then
how do you
make
lock
sure
it?
you close it all the way. And then hit the word Yale. Make sure it does that. And then make sure it's locked. Yale.
Let me just see the checkbox when you're done.
Wait.
That's the wrong code. This code. Okay.
After it does that thing, then there you go.
So you have to hit
Also-
the code in the checkbox.
Also, if it doesn't do the check mark thing when you really want it to, don't try to push in because then it gets in the way.
Okay. And then the original key that opens this door is on the laundry door, so you can always get in the house through the laundry door if this all fails. Okay? Okay, bye.